Tonight we're taking a gourmet Italian recipe and turning it into a satisfying entree. Low-carb, keto-friendly pesto chicken wraps. Thin-sliced, tender and juicy chicken breast is seasoned and pan-seared in olive oil and layered on top of low-carb flour tortillas with pesto sauce, shredded cheddar cheese, and fresh arugula. This gourmet wrap is full of flavor but low in carbohydrates, so it's perfect for anyone on the keto diet. We'll serve it with a spicy dipping sauce to give it an extra kick. We're making low-carb, keto-friendly pesto chicken wraps in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. Tonight we're making a low-carb, keto-friendly pesto chicken wrap. Thin-sliced seasoned chicken breast, sautéed in extra virgin olive oil, is placed on a tortilla with pesto, shredded cheddar cheese, and arugula, and then rolled up and sliced in half. This gourmet Italian wrap is full of flavor and low in carbs, so it's perfect for anyone on the keto diet. Our mise en place for tonight's entree is 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce, a tablespoon each of salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, an ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the wrap, we'll need 1 low-carb flour tortilla, 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, and 8 to 12 pieces of fresh arugula. For the dipping sauce, we'll need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, tablespoon of Frank's hot sauce, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, a half teaspoon of sugar or monk fruit sweetener, a half teaspoon each of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. The first step is to make the seasoning for the chicken breast. In a bowl, combine a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce, a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Stir it together thoroughly and set the bowl aside. Next, we'll slice the chicken breast into small, thin slices. A tip to help make slicing easier is to put the chicken breast into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. The meat doesn't freeze, but it firms it up just enough to help you slice each piece evenly. Put the pieces of chicken breast into the bowl of seasoning and coat each piece thoroughly. While the chicken is marinating in the seasoning, let's make our spicy dipping sauce. In a bowl, combine the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, hot sauce, vinegar, sweetener, and the rest of the seasonings, and stir everything together. And now we'll get our chicken cooked. In a large pan, pour a few tablespoons of olive oil and turn the heat to medium-low. Place half of the seasoned chicken pieces into the pan and saute them for about 3 minutes on each side. Since the chicken is very thin, they'll cook quickly. Place the cooked chicken pieces onto a plate, then cook the other half of the chicken. And now it's time to assemble our wrap. And there it is! Low-carb, keto-friendly pesto chicken wraps. A flavorful way to enjoy gourmet Italian food. Low-carb flour tortilla with shredded cheddar cheese, arugula, tender and juicy thin-sliced chicken served with a spicy dipping sauce. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!